In this video, I'm going to tell you exactly what happens if you post a new long form video on YouTube every single day for a week, especially if you're just getting started out just like I am. And I just want us to remind ourselves exactly where we started. If we go all the way back a whole week, we started at the start of August the 1st, 2025 on 0 subscribers, absolutely 0. So there's no smoke and mirrors here. I've not done anything crazy. I'm going to talk you through exactly what I've done over the last week. And I'm going to show you my analytics directly as well, so you can see exactly there's nothing crazy going on there. So let's start right there then. If we jump into my analytics, we can see here that we have 479 views in the last 28 days. Actually, if I changed it to the last 7 days, it wouldn't be much different. We're on day 8 now. So, we're on day 9, actually, day 9. I missed a day yesterday, which is why I'm publishing 2 videos today. This one I should have done yesterday. But if we take a look, so the last 28 days, we've had 479 views, 16.4 watch hours, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. Considering the amount of views, the watch time is pretty good. And then we've had 58 subscribers. It says 58 subscribers, but if we actually look at the channel, I'm on 57 subscribers. So that must mean that somebody subscribed and unsubscribed in that same amount of time. Maybe I'm posting too much for them. Maybe I'm posting too much for them, I'm not sure. If I jump back to this last 7 days, what's really nice is you can see, what I'll see next week is I'll see the difference between last week and this week. And we can see then if we're making some progress. But there's other things that I do. Just one important thing that I do here, and this is to use a tracking sheet as well. If I open my tracking sheet, I actually haven't filled it in for yesterday, so we'll fill it in today. I'm just going to put the numbers in for yesterday as well. And what I do is I tend to open all my socials this way. So I'll go to Twitter, I'll go to my YouTube subscribers, I'll go to Instagram, to TikTok, and my CRM as well, which I won't be able to show you the CRM because there'll be definitely a GDPR issue if I show you that, but I'll tell you exactly what that CRM says. Okay, so just check the CRM. It actually said we've got 15 contacts. So this is 15 leads that have come in that say, yeah, I've seen your content. I want to grab one of the freebies from you. And that's increase that list of people that are on my email list. That's what the CRM is. It's my email list. My MattFullTime TikTok is on 482 followers. So I've got a couple of more followers there. I'm just going to copy these for both of these. I'm not going to update this between now and tomorrow. So we'll just make sure these are the same. Instagram, I don't think we've actually posted to Instagram yet. So I'm still not posting out. I've had some issues with my scheduler. So I'm not increasing that at all because we're not posting on there. So that's probably going to stay the same for a while. My YouTube subscribers, as we've discovered, is 57. Now, it didn't go up yesterday. We didn't publish any new content yesterday. So I didn't expect that to go up either. I expect that will change over the next couple of days. And then we've also got 9 followers on Twitter, which I also only really promote the videos on there. I'm not really doing any engagement or anything like that on there either. In terms of YouTube views, so if we go back to the channel and look at views, the total views right now, this will always be increasing, 479. It doesn't make any it doesn't affect the numbers because I don't count that as part of the total. And my watch time is now 16.4. I think it was 14 yesterday. It's 16 today. So that's going up steadily at 2 hours per day, which is pretty good. I'm pretty happy with that. I think it's really important to have a tracker because the tracker just gives you like real clarity on what's going on. Of course, I can only see that my audience already in 1 week has gone from 563 to 646. So I've almost added 100 people to my audience in one way or another. So there's 10 on TikTok, there's the 57 on YouTube. Like if I can continue this week on week, it's going to increase more and more over time. People focus so much on the big numbers. They're not focusing on all the little micro improvements that they're making every single week. So that's what this tracker is giving me. And then finally, just to wrap this video up, of course, I need to have a plan. So this is my plan for batch filming this week. I'm actually doing that today. So I've got 9 videos there to film. This video is one of them. So 8 after this. I plan on doing maybe 5 today and 4 tomorrow. So that gives me a bit of a breather in terms of filming the content. And then equally, I'm going to edit those videos over the next week and get them published. The problem here that I've found, certainly with not publishing a video yesterday, is that if you don't build up a bank of content that you've already created, if you don't batch film or if you don't plan ahead or film ahead, then you're stuck in this position where it's the weekend. I don't want to be doing this stuff at the weekend, but here I am filming and editing my videos to get them on there. So I want you to think about this in terms of your content. I don't expect anybody to do 30 videos in 30 days like I'm doing. But if you're doing 13 videos over 13 weeks, then you need to be batch filming those so that you can publish one a week and you've got some breather if you go on holiday or if life gets in the way or anything like that. If you're doing those once a week, make sure you've got a backlog that you can fill in when you need to take some time out. All right, for the next 4 weeks, I'll do these results updates, full results updates like that. I expect after that, I'll probably do them once a month. But I've got a separate playlist for that as well if you're interested in these updates. Now, if you want to get hold of my planner, the planner I've just showed you, the link is in the description. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit that notification bell so you're notified every single time I publish a new video. My name is Matt Hughes, King of Video. See you next time. Bye-bye.